How to make money on SproutGigs. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on SproutGigs. So first of all, just open your SproutGig and here on the home screen, on the top options, you will see micro jobs. Just click on that, and under the drop down, you will see find jobs. Just click on find jobs. And after that, if you scroll down, you will see there are so many tasks that you can complete and earn some money. So just choose the task and read the instructions to complete the task. And if you complete the task, you will be able to earn the amount of money that has been written right side of the task that you select. Suppose in this particular task it says watch video for 5 seconds and you will earn around $1. So likewise, there are so many tasks you can see under the list, and just select the preferable task, and once you complete the task, you will be able to get the amount written right here. So this is how you will be able to make money on SproutGigs. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.